I play for the rest of the day, and this is your Tier 2 quarterfinal 3 match here, and it is the Bedford Blizzard team versus Volleyball Shippagan. The ref has checked both sides, and it looks like we are ready to go. And starting us off here for the Blizzard team is number 11, Dumphy. And that ball is passed over. Out left. And a free ball from the middle, that is Raw. A good save there. Grab cuff from the left. And here is a swing in the middle, and that is going to score for number 14, Lawrence Roy. Point Shippagan. Back to serve on the Shippagan side, and now is number 5, Elise Ache. Ache with a big serve. Passed up by Flynn. And that is going to be a service ace for the Shippagan side. Elise back to serve again. And there is another big float serve. That ball just sailing out of bounds. Point Blizzard. Serving now on the Blizzard side is number 7, DeGrasse. Grass with the serve, passed up. And a swing in the middle from Roy. Dug up from 6 and a dump over from the Blizzard setter, number 4, Brown, and that is going to score. Another serve from DeGrasse. And there is a big swing from Robichaud in the left, and that is going to score. She is little, but she is mighty. Serving now here is Roy. Spin serve, passed up. Free ball coming over from Brown. And there's a dig from Roy. And in the middle there is Pauline, and that is going to score short in 6 for her. Point Shippagan. This is a battle here between Nova Scotia and New Brunswick. The Bedford Blizzard is a home team, just one exit away from where we are here, and the Shippagan team is from the Acadian Peninsula in New Brunswick. Fitzpatrick with the free ball. Free ball over from Robichaud. Free ball from the Blizz side. And there is a swing there from Pauline, and that is going to score once again for the Shippagan side. Serving here is Roy. And that ball is up. Flynn with the second touch, coming over from Brown. Roy. And there is a free ball down the line, cleverly placed there by Anna Maud Pauline. Point Shippagan. Roy with the serve. And that is a service ace, high off hands. Point Shippagan. 7-2 here in the early goings of the first set. Roy. And there is another service ace, this time hitting the floor with some pace. Point Shippagan. And that is going to constitute a timeout here from the Bedford Blizzard head coach, White. Well, folks, it's Championship Sunday, so make sure to stay tuned all day long. We've got the quarterfinals right now, and then we'll have the semis and finals from different tiers, so we can make sure that you see the team that you are cheering for. And it's been a fun weekend here with you. Last weekend was the provincial championships. Here it is the Atlantic Championships, and Bell Alliant TV1 is proud to be the official webcaster for the 2016 U14 Atlantic Volleyball Championships from the Canada Game Centre in Halifax, Nova Scotia. Bell Alliant, there's more to love with fiber off. Both teams coming onto the court here, and Raw back to serve once again. And another service ace, too much heat to handle from the Shippagan server. And there she is again with another powerful serve. Big serving run here for Lawrence Roy. And that ball is up by Grabka. And Blizzard's little miscommunication, looking to see who is going to put that free ball over, trying to avoid the players. Here she is again, your dynamic server, Roy, with a service ace. Point Shippagan. There she is on your screen with a serve. Grabka, the ball is up. Free ball coming over from Brown. A set in the middle, Pauline with the free ball. And that is going to score for the Shippagan team. Nice and bright green jerseys, just making your morning nice and bright. And there it is again, another service ace. She is racking up the stats. Powerful server there for Volleyball Shippagan. That ball is passed up by Grabka. Fitzpatrick with the second. Free ball over. Pauline with the tip. Great dig there from number 7, DeGrasse. Pauline once again. DeGrasse taking the second. Brown with the free ball over. Nice long rally here. And there is a swing from the left from Ariane Robichaud, but that ball just out of bounds. Point Blizzard. Back to serve here now is number 3, Fitzpatrick. Fitzpatrick with the serve. And that is going to be a service ace response from the Blizzard team. Fitzpatrick with the serve. And that ball is called out of bounds by the coach, and he is right. Point going to Shippagan. Looks like we're going to get a substitution here now. Coming into the match is number 8, Kenny, and she's going to replace number 7, DeGrasse. Serving here now is Bizot. And that ball is still alive from the Blizzard side. Swing in the middle from Pauline. And that ball just out of bounds. Point going to the Blizz team. Back to serve for the Blizzard side is number 88, Grabka. Grabka with the serve. And that is a service ace in the deep corner. Point Blizz. Serving once again is Grabka. And that ball is up and saved. Free ball coming over. And that one just short into the net there for the Shippagan, but good hustle, Point Blizzard. And that ball is served out of bounds by Grabka, Point Shippagan. Back to serve here now is number 8, Ariane Robichaud. That ball is passed up and saved, but just into the net for the Blizzard team. Once again, a nice hustle, but that point is going to go to the other side. Robichaud with the serve once again. Passed up by Kenny. Saved by Fitzpatrick. Free ball over. And there's going to be a tip from Pauline. Blizzard squeaking it over the net. There she is again, this time putting it deep. Brown on the left. And there is a swing from Dunphy, but it looks like there is a bigger block there from Ash. We've got another substitution coming into the match here is number 26, H. Dockendorf, coming in for number 11, Dunphy. And there's Robichaud with the serve, and that is a service ace off a Blizzard player's shoulder. Point Shippagan. We've got another substitution coming in here. This is Jay Dockendorf, perhaps Dockendorf's sisters, and she is taking out Fitzpatrick. The Blizzards being dynamic and using their bench. And that ball is up, and it is saved. Great hustle there by the Blizzard team. Pauline in the middle, and a good touch there from Grabka, but that ball just dropping in front of her. Point Shippagan. And that ball is passed up and dumped over. And a tip over from Ash. And that ball is out of bounds, point going to Shippagan. Back to serve is Robichaud. Free ball coming over from the Blizz side. Robichaud with the dig. And out left there is Elise. Free ball coming over. Pauline with her hands. And a cleverly placed free ball there from the Shippagan side. Point Shippagan. Still serving here on her own serving run now is Robichaud. And a good hustle there from Blizzard's Dockendorf, but that ball just short to the net. Robichaud here back with the serve. That ball passed up by H. Dockendorf. Dockendorf on the left, and that ball just tipped into the top of the tape. Point Shippagan. And it looks like we are going to get the second timeout call from the Bedford Blizzard head coach White here. 24-7 in the first set. This is the potential set point for the Shippagan team. And today is a special day, and on behalf of TV1, we just want to wish all the moms out there watching in webcast world a very, very happy Mother's Day. Thank you so much for joining us, and we couldn't do it without you. Moms, we love you. On your screen there is the Shippagan huddle. And here it is, potential set point as Robichaud goes back to serve for the Shippagan team. That ball passed up by Grappa. Free ball over. Robichaud with the dig. On the left there is Elise Ashe. And a free ball over, but just out of bounds. That point is going to go to the Shippagan team. Well, there you have it, folks. That is the first set. Both teams are going to switch sides, and we'll be right back for some second set action. Hello everyone and welcome back to the 14U Atlantic Volleyball Championships. This is your Tier 2 quarterfinal 3 and it is the Bedford Blizzard Team 2 taking on the Volleyball Shippagan. Shippagan did win the first set, so they are up 1-0 right now. And there they are on the far side of your screen in the green shirts, and the Blizzard is on the close side of the screen. Looks like they're already ready to go here. Referees check the lineups, and starting us off to serve is number 10, Jenica Babin-Bizot. Nice swing there from the left. That is Stunhope. And a swing in the middle there from Malay, and that is going to hit a Blizzard player point going to Shippagan. Back to serve once again here is Bizot. And that ball is still alive. Free ball attempt over there from the Blizzard side, but that is going to hit the floor. Point Shippagan. Here she is again, Bizot with the serve, and that is going to be a service ace. A little miscommunication on the Blizzard side. That ball finding the floor. Serving once again here is number 10, Jenica Babin-Bizot. That ball is up. Free ball over from Blizzard's number 8, Kenny. That ball set out left. Ashe with the swing, but that is going to be out of bounds. Point going to the Blizzard side. Back to serve here for the Blizzard team is number 26, H. Dockendorf. Dockendorf with the serve. That ball is passed up, set out left, swung by Alyssa Ashe. And a dump there from the setter, Kenny. Free ball over, but that free ball is out of bounds. Point going to the Blizzard team. Back to serve once again here is Dockendorf. Dockendorf with the serve, and that is a service ace for Dockendorf. Point Blizzard. Here she is once again back to serve for the Blizzard side. This is Dockendorf. And that is a service ace. She is putting on the pressure. Blizzard point. Once again, there she is with the serve. That ball is passed up. And a free ball coming over there from Mallet. And Stanhope with a swing on the left. That ball almost alive, but point is going to go to the Blizzard side. The Blizzards coming on hot here in the start of the second set. Keep in mind, this is a quarterfinal match, so these teams are battling it out to make it to the semifinals here on Championship Sunday. Dockendorf with the serve. That ball is passed up. Free ball coming over there. And that free ball is going to score for number 10, Bizot. Point, Shippagan. Back to serve here now is number 5, Elise Ache. And there is a big serve. Point going to Shippagan. All tied up at 5s here in the second set. Ashe with the serve. That one is powerful, but just into the net. Point going to the Blizzard side. Back to serve here for the Blizzard team now is Kenny. Kenny with the serve, but that ball just turning sideways out of bounds. Point going to Shippagan. Serving here now is Gabrielle Mallet. Mallet with the serve. And a one-handed pass there from Dockendorf. That ball set out to Stanhope. Stanhope from the left. Dug up by Mallet, and a free ball coming over. Shippagan not giving up on that ball. And a nice, clever dump there from number 21, Verstege, and she is going to score. And now back to serve is Arsenault for the Blizzard side. And that is going to be a service ace for the Blizzard server. Big smile on her face for that ace. Here she is again, Arsenault with the serve. And that ball is passed up and over, point going to Blizz. Arsenault with the serve. That ball is passed up. And a good touch there from number 10, Bizot, but that ball is going to go into the stands. Point Blizzard. Well, folks, that is a timeout called there by Shippagan head coach Roy. Now, this is the Atlantic Volleyball Championships, but there are volleyball championships going on across the country, and there are a couple of championships in Alberta and Edmonton for the U17 and 18 women. And just wanted to remind you that the wildfires in Alberta have affected thousands of lives, and you can help those in need by visiting redcross.ca to donate, or you can text FIRES, F-I-R-E-S, all capital, to 45678 to donate $10 to Red Cross Canada's Alberta Fires Emergency Appeal. So folks, if you haven't done so yet today or this weekend, please take some time out to do so. Both teams are now coming back onto the court here, and still serving for the Blizzard side is number 22, Arsenault. And that ball is up and saved, but just not enough there for the Shippagan's third touch. Point Blizzard. Arsenault with the serve. That ball is saved and put over. And there's Dockendorf in the middle, but that ball is going to go into the net. Point Shippagan. Back to serve here now for the Shippagan side is a number 9, Alyssa Ashe. And that ball is in, passed up by Dockendorf. The other Dockendorf with the free ball. And there in the middle is a swing from number 14, Lawrence Roy, and that is going to score for the Shippagan side. Blizzard in the lead here because of Arsenault's great serving run, but it is close here, 8 serving 11. Big serve there, and that is going to be a service ace there for number 9, Alyssa Ashe. And serving once again, there is Ashe. That is going to be an over bump for the Blizzard side. It is going to be a bump kill. Looks like the fans are starting to crowd around here. And yes, there's a little shake on your camera, but that is because the stands are filling up and our wonderful producer, Terry Lynn Kersey, just fixed it. Point in the net there for the Blizzard side, Shippagan point. It is 10 serving 12 here. And that is a big serve there for number 24, Mallet. Service ace. Here she is once again to serve, Ariane Mallet. And that is going to be another service ace there for the Shippagan, all tied up at 12s here. Now it's a battle here in this quarterfinal match. Shippagan's up 1-0, but all tied up in the second set. Mallet with the serve. And that ball is passed up and over, but just out of bounds for the Blizzard service receiver. Point Shippagan. Mallet back to serve. That ball is passed up by number 22, Arsenault. But no one there to get the second touch. Good try from the Blizzard side. Point going to Shippagan. That ball passed up and over. Ashe with the dig. And there is a swing from the left and a good touch there from Dockendorf, but that point is going to go to Shippagan. A nice swing from Shippagan's left side. Looks like we're going to get a couple substitutions coming into the match here. Coming in to the match is number 3, Fitzpatrick, and she's coming in for Dockendorf. And on the other side, Grabka is coming in for Stenhope. Some new players in on the Blizzard side here, and once again serving for the Shippagan is number 24, Malay. And there is a big pass there from Arsenault. And a swing in the middle from Lawrence Roy, but that one just turning out of bounds, point going to the Blizz side. Another substitution coming in here now. Coming into the match is number 4, Brown, and she is going to come in for number 8, Kenny. Back to serve here is number 21, Verstege. And that ball just short into the net, point going to Shippagan. Raw with the serve. Nice pass up from Grabka. Free ball coming over, but a little miscommunication there from the Blizz side. Raw with the serve. That one going into the net, point Blizzard. And there is Dockendorf coming back into the match here for number 3, Fitzpatrick. And if you can see on the far side of your screen, there is some great team spirit there from the Shippagan team. Whenever a substitution comes in on the other side, they always have their little chant and cheer that they do to keep themselves in good spirits, and it is definitely working. 17-14 here. And a free ball looking to come over there, but just into the pole. That point is going to go to Blizzard. Lots of smiles on the Blizzard sides too, as they have another serve coming in from Dockendorf. And that is a service ace from Dockendorf. Looks like we're going to get another timeout called here from Shippagan's head coach, Roy, as the Blizzard team is not giving up here in this second set. On your screen there is the Shippagan huddle. Well, folks, it has been a long but wonderful weekend. 12 games Friday, 12 games Saturday, and now we have your championship matches for you today. On Sunday, Bella Line TV1 is proud to be the official webcaster for the 2016 U14 Atlantic Volleyball Championships from the Canada Game Centre here in Halifax, Nova Scotia. Bella Line, there's more to love with fiber op. And we love that you have joined us on the webcast and hope you'll stay tuned all day long. Both teams coming back to the court. And serving once again here for the Bedford Blizzard team is number 24, Dockendorf. And that call looks like it is out of bounds. That point is going to go to the Shippagan side. And now serving here is number 10, Bizot. And that ball is up from the Blizzard side, but just into the soft wall. No third touch there, point going to Shippagan. Still serving here is Bizot. And a free ball coming over there from the Blizz side, but a little miscommunication there. Both players checking to make sure each other is okay. Point going to Shippagan. Bizot with the serve. And that ball is passed up. And a big swing in the middle there from Arsenault. And there's a dig. That ball is saved by Ashe. Free ball over. And there's Dockendorf with the free ball tip. And a free ball coming over once again from Shippagan. A nice long rally here. Dockendorf. Free ball. A great dig there from the other Dockendorf. Arsenault in the middle. And a dig there from Shippagan. The ball still alive. Free ball over. And that free ball is going to score for the Blizzard team. What impressive effort from both sides there. Both teams hustling to make sure that that ball finds its way onto the ground. And the Blizzard had some success there. We've got a substitution coming in here now. Coming back into the match from the first set is Robichaud, and she's going to come in for number 24, Mallet. Serving here is H. Dockendorf. Robichaud with the pass. And a free ball coming over. Free ball from Grabka. That ball is passed up. Set in the middle, and there is a swing from number 20, Mallet, but that ball just long point going to Blizzard. Back to serve once again. Here is H. Dockendorf. Dockendorf with a short serve. And there is a Shippagan bump kill. That ball called in bounds by the linesman. Back to serve here is number 5, Elise Ashe. There is a big serve. Too big, a little bit long there. Point going to Blizzard. We've got a substitution coming in for the Blizzard side here. Coming into the match is number 8, Kenny, and she's coming in for Brown. And there is a serve from the Blizzard side. Robichaud with the pass. Free ball coming over. That ball is passed up by Dockendorf, put over by Grabka. And that ball is over, and it is blocked, but it is recovered. Blizzard keeping that ball alive. And there is a tip. And that is going to score for the Blizzard side. Great effort there at the net from both sides. Point going to Blizz. Close here. It's a game to 5. Shippagan on up 1-0. Serving here is Kenny. That ball is passed up. There is a swing in the middle, and what a nice swing that is from Mallet. That point is going to score for the middle hitter. And now she is going to go back to serve. Mallet with the serve, passed up by Dockendorf. Grabka in the middle, but that ball is going to sail long for her. Point going to Shippagan. 23-20 here in the second set. And another serve out of bounds. Too much heat to handle for these 14 U's, proving that they are some strong. We've got a substitution here. Fitzpatrick coming into the match for Dockendorf. And on the other side, we've got Pauline coming in for Mallet. Arsenault back to serve here for the Blizz team. And that ball just short into the net, point going to Shippagan. 24-21, this is the potential game point here for the Shippagan side in your quarterfinal match for Tier 2. And that ball gonna squeak over the net, and that is going to be the game. 25-21, tough point there for the Blizzard. Both teams doing a wonderful job battling it out on the court. Well, folks, don't go away. We are gonna be back soon for the Tier 3 semifinal. My name is Raisa Lalani, and this is produced by TV1 and Terry Lynn Kersey. We'll be right back for the next match.